y'all? It's your boy, The Shells, and if you're new to the channel, welcome to Shells World TV. So, look, we're gonna react today to 5 scary ghost videos that you shouldn't watch in the dark. Now, I don't know about this one, y'all, but we're gonna go right ahead into it, man. So, you see, I'm doing this in the daytime because I don't mess with this stuff at night, man. So if you're gonna go watch the original video, link is in the description. Okay, so let's just get right into the video.
Top 5 ghosts caught on camera. The hand is quicker than the eye. Gareth Williams says that he was doing work on the CCTV system at the parking center for his local airport. Gareth says that while working there, he often found his tools unexplainably moved from one place to another. And workers at the parking center claim that the registers would sometimes start spewing out tickets in the middle of the night for no reason until the entire roll ran out. This footage was caught on CCTV.
Oh, y'all see that?
A pale little hand seems to literally come right out of the wooden edge of the desk and push an apple off onto the floor. The workers?
Once I noticed that, I am quitting that job immediately. There are other jobs, I'm sure, so nope.
Notice until they watch the CCTV footage back later.
Oh, wow. Something at the door. YouTube user As Above, So Below says that strange things happen in his house on a regular basis. Hanging lights will start to move back and forth for no reason, and they find objects move from one place to another. And you haven't moved?
And sometimes the door handles just start to move on their own.
And you just standing there, huh? Yep. You don't love you, apparently.
Now when the video is slowed down, you can see there are no cuts or edits in the recording. So just what do you think could cause this bizarre phenomenon?
You lucky nothing was in there.
Knocking. You might have seen Palestinian ghost hunter Assad Khan in one of my previous videos, because he's a member of the popular ghost hunting team Wokiata.
Oh, I remember this one. Yeah, they have to lock a ghost into this room in an abandoned house. Yo, why is it always an abandoned house, an abandoned building? Like, do you not value your life, y'all? See, better than me. I love me too much to be doing things like this. I will never willingly do this, okay? Nope. Yeah, I remember this one from another
But Assad also
video.
does explorations of haunted locations on his own channel.
This video got me paranoid.
In this video, Assad Khan is investigating a remote location that is said to have been the site of many dark occult rituals.
You know, the knowledge of the building that you're going there anyway, but I guess that's his channel still.
The main entrance is locked, but they begin to hear loud bangs on the doors all around them.
Dogs are going crazy, you hear that?
ये करवाते हैं इनसे अपना गलत काम जो ब्लैक मैजिक हो गए हैं जो भी ऐसा कुछ हो गया
जैसे ही असद भाई इस कमरे के पास आते हैं ना
बिल्कुल जैसे वो चीज
Well, clearly, it's a warning sign. You still going. Assad and his cameraman notice that the main entrance seems to randomly move as they investigate.
ये फिर से मूव होना शुरू हो गया.
And with just a knock, a previously locked door just pops open. Assad decides to check inside, and it didn't go well.
ध्यान से इसको देखो. Better you than me. Astaghfirullah, salve kya hua? I don't see it.
कुछ चीज़ खड़ी है सामने रिकॉर्ड हो रही है एकदम से ही मेरी तरफ आई है बिल्कुल वाज़ेह वो चीज़ मैंने अपनी आंखों से देख ली है बिल्कुल आगे खड़ी है मैं आप दोस्तों को
Assad gathers his courage and returns to
Oh! No, that's how. Wow, I see it now. That's crazy. It's time to go.
ये लगी यहाँ पे मेरा फिर बालू जैसे पहले मेरा बालू खींचा गया एक दफ़ा पीछे भी लग गया बिल्कुल वैसे
ज़्यादा तो नहीं चोट आई है सभी.
वैसे यहाँ लगी है
Assad claims that something inside grabbed his arm and hit him in the back. But yet he still goes back again to investigate the room.
Dude's a masochist.
And the third time is definitely not the charm. Assad and his cameraman finally decide to just call it quits and get out of there.
I bet they did.
लाइट करें इधर लाइट करें यार बस छोड़ दो दोबारा फिर आप दोस्तों को बता दीजिए कि दोबारा फिर वो चीज़ बिल्कुल हवा के अंदर लटकी हुई वो चीज़ दोबारा फिर रिकॉर्ड हुई है.
So did Assad Khan catch an angry ghost on camera? Or is it all just an elaborate hoax? You decide. Back to school. Ready, user?
If that is a hoax, that's some pretty good CGI, but there was no cuts in this video, so I have to personally say it definitely was real enough for them, and it was real enough for me because I saw it myself. Man, you can't mess with these things out here, man. I'm trying to tell y'all, everyone's experience is different, but you don't mess with apparitions, man. You just gotta stay away from some things in life.
Blackwell says that he was recently doing some maintenance work in a closed-down school when he began hearing strange sounds. He pulled out his phone and captured this.
Okay, that's...
Now the sound has most Reddit commenters stumped. Some have guessed that the noise could be anything from the wind blowing under doors to noisy pipes.
No.
No one knows for sure. However, one thing that all of the comments seem to agree on is that the unexplained noise in the empty school is absolutely...
Look, I've heard noisy pipes, okay? They don't sound like that. What? Noisy pipes, come on, man.
That's not a person. Now, not much is known about this next video. After extensive researching, the only info that I could come up with is that the video is said to be from a security camera in a hospital waiting room in Peru.
¿Lo ves?
Galarza se va a morir.
No sabe lo que estaba allí. Y yo estaba ese día toda la tarde acá viendo televisión, viendo partidos, tal, pero...
Se va a morir sabiendo que está metido ahí.
Still laughing. I would be concerned about that.
Es una persona. Es una persona. Es una persona. Que atraviesa y se queda ahí. Ahí sigue todavía. Yo lo veo. Ahí sigue.
That is not a person, man. Definitely not.
De ahí se va, como que si se escondiera, pero de ahí se va.
¿Me lo puedes mandar a mi WhatsApp?
Claro.
Mándamelo.
Something that seems to be slowly changing shape floats out of an open office. It continues into the hospital waiting room and then just sort of disappears behind the chairs.
I'm trying to understand though, man. Like, why is it that these security cameras always look so blurry and just not in high definition? You know, we have cameras that can show amazing quality, and yet every time it's a security camera, something's always blurry. I mean, could there be budget issues? Maybe, but nah, I don't know.
Now, perhaps the most compelling part of this video is that the woman watching the CCTV seems to be a die-hard non-believer. She just keeps repeating, it's a person. It's a person.
Es una persona.
I don't know a person that moves like that, so okay.
Que atraviesa y se queda ahí. Ahí sigue todavía. Yo lo veo. Ahí sigue.
Now, the video is very old and obviously potato quality. But still, does this look like a person to you?
Definitely.
Let me know what you think.
Definitely not.
Did you see it? Because I didn't. So after so many years of closely examining ghost videos, I'd kind of like to think that I have a pretty good eye for spotting anything potentially paranormal in a video. But sometimes viewers are watching even closer than I am. Twitter user TheJester220 spotted this creepy little bit that I missed in a featured Franco TV video from over 8 months ago.
My foot fell asleep.
Hello?
So, did you see it? Well, I certainly didn't back then, but watch the corner as Frank pans his camera. Someone or something is peeking around the corner at Frank and ducks back just as he turns. It's so quick that I'm amazed that anyone even noticed it. But the Jester220 did. Now, this next clip was not actually in my video, but it was in a spooky video that I featured from the channel TFIL over 5 months ago. In the original video, TFIL are investigating the supposedly haunted Yorktown Memorial Hospital in Texas, and they experienced some very creepy occurrences.
Change baby's diaper, Elias? Of course. What was that? Did you hear that? Was that moving? Did you guys see that? I really.
But Twitter user Kitty Oof noticed something that even the TFIL crew didn't see. In one of the shots in the original TFIL video, the crew accidentally catches something down the hall behind them.
Door open in 3 bangs, 5 seconds. Hello? Is there anyone in here?
Did you see it?
No.
What looks to be a dark, shadowy figure seems to be following them down the hall.
Oh no.
The TFIL crew didn't notice, and even most of their viewers didn't notice. But Twitter user Kitty Oof
It's always
did.
a dark shadow, man.
By the way, before I go, I wanted to point out one other odd thing in the video where a hand seems to push an apple off a desk. Now, I just have no idea what these two guys are talking about.
Chewing my face off, man. Cutting my face off.
Something about chewing a face off, I guess. I don't know. Let me know what you think they're saying. Thanks for watching. To submit or suggest videos for the top
I don't know
5,
what they're
email
saying
me
at all.
nukes.top5.
Okay, guys, so that was 5 scary ghost videos you shouldn't watch in the dark by Nuke's Top 5. Man, it's crazy because I'm always aware of the fact that one day I might run into a situation like this, but I hope to never do. And still, it's crazy how you could be watching these videos and sometimes you miss something. Like I said, in the last one I reacted to, you have to usually look back again because sometimes it's unnoticeable, like the dark shadows especially. There's some videos that be really wild and you don't really expect it to get that intense. Like the apparitions get more creepy as they go down the list, but this was a good one still, man. Alright, so let me know if you want me to react to more of these, and I will. Okay, in the comment section, I would appreciate that. I want to thank a lot of y'all for subscribing, by the way. I know I don't say it too often, but I want to appreciate you, every one of y'all that have been watching my videos, man. And thank you for subscribing again, right? A little tongue twister there. Alright, man, so if you enjoyed this video, leave a like, share, comment, and or subscribe. I make new videos for every Thursday. Once again, this is Shows World TV, and I make reactions, sketches, and vlogs. So don't forget to hit that bell to be notified every time I make a new video. Follow me on social media. Download all my music for streaming for free or for purchase. All the links for everything is in the description down below. Check out my new music video if you want to, okay? It's on my music page. Alright, so guys, if you want more of my reactions, then click that playlist right there. And if you want more of my more recent vlogs, then you click that playlist over there. I want to thank you for watching. I want to thank you for watching. Alright, so it's your boy The Shows. I'm going to head up out here. And I'll see you guys next time when I upload. Peace.